Okay guys, how's it going? Today we are going to be talking about the Vornado Zippi personal fan. Yes, I really, really like this fan. It really comes in handy. I live in an area where it gets really, really hot, really, really quick. So this little thing is really small, and it is from the top to the bottom, it's just a little over 6 inches tall. And it is a lifesaver. When you turn it on, it is fairly quiet. Yeah, it has two power settings, high and higher. And it gives out a nice gust of wind to keep you really, really cool. It really does. It really, really makes you feel good. And you don't even have to have it that close to you. That's one of the good things about it. But the best thing about this fan that I really like is this part. You can touch these blades and not get hurt at all. It's completely safe. It's made of a fabric instead of an actual plastic or something that actually can get hurt. So it's safe to have around the children or anyone that's not paying attention or something. So yeah, it's really safe and it does the job. They need to make all fans like this, I think. It's really, really good. The blades are really, really soft material. It feels like some kind of a polyester, and at the end it has like a thick piece of fabric inside, or some kind of cushioning inside to help it go around. But this feels like some kind of a polyester or something. But it's really soft and it really does the job. This is what it looks like from the back. You can see the power settings. This is high and this is higher. This is the two knots. And in the center is off. You see, higher and just normal. Very good. A very, very good fan. I swear by it. And you can travel with this because it tucks away so easily. See, what it does is you can roll it back all the way down like this and tuck it away somewhere. Very convenient. Absolutely, totally convenient. It's really, really good fan. Thinking to get more of these. It makes a really good gift too. Actually, I got it as a gift many years ago. I really appreciated it because like I said, live in an area where it really gets hot in the summertime and you need a fan. And I use this. This is good for like if you're working on a computer or anywhere like in an office and it gets really, really hot in there. This will keep you cool. Yeah, and what's cool is it comes in white, it also comes in black, and it comes in silver, and it comes in blue, and it also comes in green. I saw a pink one for all you girls out there, so it also comes in pink. Yeah, I am preference to white and chrome. I think when I get another one, I'm going to get the chrome one, but I like white too because I like to see things that are clean and everything pretty much shows up on white or black. But yeah, I like taking this with me on trips too. Like I said, it packs up really, really, really well, and it's really fairly quiet when you use it. This is probably the best little fan I've ever had. I had several of them actually, not this kind, but several small fans that were too noisy or didn't give off enough wind, or it just was mediocre, and just wasn't happy with them. But this one, it is not like that. This fan, It's really, really good. I do not see a downside. Also, it's durable. Like, I tucked it away, you know, bent it back and tucked it away, put it somewhere a while back ago. It was up high in my closet and it fell, boom, onto the ground, hardwood, and it lasted. It didn't even scratch it. It worked, no problem. It is a good fan and it's durable. It can take it, whatever you're gonna do to it. I don't see you throwing this around or doing anything like a football or anything, but it is a really made to last good little fan. I like it a lot. It is called the Vornado Zippi personal fan, and it is a really good buy. I like it a lot. Okay guys, I hope you use this information and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.